Right. Hello, everybody. It's been so long. So I'm gonna try and record today because I just got this inhaler, and I'm hoping that it'll make it easier for me to exercise without getting too short of breath. That's been the main problem, and it's been happening for a while now, but it hasn't been getting any easier, and I got a chest x-ray a few days ago. Hopefully it'll come back and maybe there's some insight there, but it might just be I need to wait a really long time. But I'm glad to have the inhaler. It does seem to make it a little bit better. I've only had it for a day though. But I am going to be posting this. It's not live, but I'm going to post it like right after I do it, so you can pretend like it's live. And hopefully we won't have any music issues because of that. So let's give it a try. Let's work out. I'm also going to try, I'm going to try slowly extending the amount of time that we're doing it. So maybe we end up at like 45 minutes or an hour instead of half an hour, because I'm not going to be doing it as often. So I'll probably be doing these like once a week. So we want a little longer workout, ideally. So today I'm just extending it by one extra song, or maybe two extra songs. No, one extra song, which I think we can do. All right, guys, let's get started. Hopefully I survive. All right, bye. Other way. short of breath, but I think I can do this, guys. And I think you can too. All right.
Debes brindar amor para después pedir. Hay que perdonar para poder seguir. Recuerda que tenemos solo un viaje de ida y hay que darle gracias siempre a la vida, a la vida, a la vida, a la vida.
Here we go, arms up.
Oye, abre tus ojos.
And
Mira
down.
hacia arriba, disfruta las cosas buenas que tiene la vida. Abre tus ojos, mira hacia arriba, disfruta las cosas buenas que tiene.
Hey. Hey, hey. Hey. Hey, hey.
Cuando estés perdido
Well done.
y no sepas dónde vas, recuerda de dónde vienes y qué bien te sentirás. Siempre que llueve escapas son consejos de mamá y con la bendición de tus ancestros llegarás.
Now drop.
Tambor, tambor, tambor,
Back,
que llama tambor.
back.
Tambor, tambor, tambor de mi madre tierra. Tambor, tambor, tambor que llama tambor. Tambor, tambor, tambor de mi madre tierra.
Arms up.
Oye, abre tus ojos,
And down.
mira hacia arriba, disfruta las cosas buenas que tiene la vida. Abre tus ojos, mira hacia arriba, disfruta las cosas buenas que tiene.
Hey. Hey, hey. Hey. Hey, hey.
Eres permitido y levantarse es obligado. No tienes piedras al vecino si de cristal es tu tejado. Perro que ladra, no te asustes, nunca te morderá. Y con la bendición de tus ancestros llegarás. Tambor, tambor, tambor que llama tambor. Tambor, tambor, tambor de mi madre tierra. Tambor, tambor, tambor que llama tambor. Tambor, tambor, tambor de mi madre tierra.
Arms up.
Oye, abre tus ojos, mira hacia arriba, disfruta las cosas buenas que tiene la vida. Abre tus ojos, mira hacia arriba, disfruta las cosas.
Hey. Hey, hey. Hey. Hey, hey.
Abre tus ojos, mira hacia arriba, disfruta las cosas buenas que tiene la vida. Abre tus ojos, mira hacia arriba, disfruta las cosas.
All right. Oh, man. Great job, guys. All right. Here we go. Let's keep going.
Drink.
Young money, young money, young money.
Starting with our heels.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste
Your
them
arms.
all
Front,
night.
front, back, back, front, front, back, back.
No, I ain't got no dinner plans, so you should bring all your friends. I swear that to all of y'all my
Arms.
type.
Now jump it out.
If you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a sip, 'cause you know what I'm serving.
Shoulder.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la.
Arms.
Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah.
2 forward,
Drink.
2 back.
Swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la.
Arms.
Swalla la la.
And hips.
Freaky, freaky, yeah.
Back, back, right heel.
Freaky, yeah. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy yeah, shimmy yeah. Bad girls gon' swallow la la. Bust down on my wrist and it be.
Arms.
My pinky ring bigger than this. Matter how I'm Beverly Hills. Dollar got too many girls. Matter how I'm Beverly Hills. All she wears red bottom heels.
And
When she back it up, put it on the top. When she drop it low, put it on the ground. DJ pop it, she gon' swallow that. Champagne pop it, she gon' swallow
step it
that.
out.
Girls in here, if you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a sip, 'cause you know what I'm serving.
Shoulder.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la.
Arms.
Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la.
And two.
Freaky, freaky, yeah. My
Up
freaky,
in here.
Hey yo, bad girl, no swallow nothing. Word to the Dalai Lama, he know I'm a fashion killer. Word to Jangali, I know he
Down.
cupping that Valentino.
Down.
Ain't no telling me no.
Up.
I'm the number he know.
Up, speed it up.
Now your wife in these thoughts, you don't get wins for that. I'm having another good year, we don't get blimps for that. Gang still call, we don't get minks for that. When I'm popping them bananas, we don't link chimps for that. I Katie's 2 years, now your time's up. Bless her heart, she throwing shots, but every line sucks. I'm in that cherry red foreign with the brown guts. I shoot slapping like Duke
Jump it
and
out.
LeBron grind.
girls in here, if you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a sip, 'cause you know what I'm serving.
Shoulder.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la.
And hip.
Young Money,
Swalla la la.
Jay-Z.
Freaky, yeah. Swalla la la. My freaky, freaky, yeah. Swalla la la. My freaky, freaky, yeah. Swalla la la. My freaky, freaky, yeah. Double up.
Great job. Woo. All right. Grab a little water if you need it. All right. Well, that inhaler is not a miracle worker, but it does seem to be helping a little bit. Helping enough. All right, here we go. All right, stomp it out. Grab the arm if you want. Heel toe shuffle.
Life's like a road that you travel on. There's one day
Heel
here
toe
and the next
shuffle.
day gone. Sometimes you bend, sometimes you stand, sometimes you turn your back to the wind.
Now
There's
forward.
world outside every
Make
dark
sure you're
day
holding
where blues won't
your
let
belt.
you anymore. Where the brave
Forward.
are free and love
Forward.
their soul.
And
Come
back,
with me
back,
to the distant
back,
shore.
back.
We won't hesitate to break down the garden gate. There's not much time left today.
Heel toe, heel toe. And write it out.
All night long. If you're going my way, well, I wanna drive it all night long.
Heel toe
To
shuffle.
all these cities and all these towns, it's in
Heel
my blood,
toe
it's all
shuffle.
around. I love you now like I loved you then. This is the road and these are the hands.
Forward.
From Mozambique to those Memphis nights.
And back, 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 back.
And knock me down and back up again. You're in my blood, I'm not a lonely man.
Turn.
There's no road I can hold. The road so rough, this I know. I'll be there when the light comes in. Just tell me we're survivors.
Heel toe, heel toe. Sorry.
Ride it all night long.
Heel toe, heel toe. Again.
Life is a highway, but I wanna ride it all night long. If you're going my way, I wanna drive it all night long.
Turn.
There was a distance between you and I. A misunderstanding once, but now we look it in the eye.
All right, stomp it out. Woo. Other side. Turn.
Ain't no load that I can't hold. A road so rough, this I know. I'll be there when the light comes in. Tell her we're surviving.
Pop it out.
Life is a highway, but I wanna ride it all night long. You're going my way, but I wanna drive it all night long.
Here we go. So.
Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long. You're going my way, I wanna drive it all night long.
One more time. Stop. Woo. All right. Way to go. Woo. I'm sweating, having fun. Whew. All right. Whew. Doing great, guys.
I want some man who can handle this. He said, "Tell me what you want." I said, "Turn it back to front." Now put your hands on me. Let me see you jump. Now we move.
Now a little shimmy.
Bring me to it.
Here comes our
Show
windmill.
me what you're doing. Wind up, wind up, wind up.
Huh.
Girl, then wind up, wind up.
Huh.
Wind up, wind up, wind up. Get
Stay
on
here.
it. Wind up, wind up. Let it fall, hit the ground. Push it back and turn around. Watch the place come winding down. Let me see
And clap. Now box step. Cross, back, back. Keep going. Drums. Windmill. Huh. Huh. Stay right. Great job, guys. Okay, let's take it easy for a second. Get a little Havana. Whew. All right. Recover a little. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha.
He took me back to
Keep
East
going.
Atlanta, All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana,
Step, touch, step, touch. Stay here.
When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do,
Stay here.
but I can't without you.
Step,
I'm
touch.
forever in on this.
Stay here.
That's all my night. And Papa says he got Milo in him. He got me feeling like ooh. I knew it when I
Forward.
met him. I left him when I left him.
Again.
Like ooh. And then I had to
Forward.
turn. I
Back.
had to go. Oh na 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 na.
Back to our cha-cha, but we're adding arms.
Half of my
Cha cha cha.
Havana, ooh, na, na.
Cha cha cha.
He took me back to East Atlanta, All of my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana,
Step, touch, and stay here.
Fresh on campus. Fresh out East Atlanta with no mountains. Damn. Fresh out East Atlanta.
Stay here.
Bump like a traffic jam. Man, I was quick to pay that.
Keep going, but make it bigger.
Here you go, ayy, take it on me. Ayy, try to crave it on me, get the beating on me. She waited on me, yeah, well, try to cake it on me, got the bacon on me. This is history and I'm making on me. Point blank, close range, that feed. If it goes a million, that's me. I was getting moolah, baby.
Havana,
Cha cha cha.
half of my heart is in Havana, He took me back to East Atlanta, All of my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana, Take me back, back, back. Take me back, back, back. Take me back, back, back.
Now watch my feet. And touch. Again, cross. And touch. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha.
He took me back to East Atlanta, All of my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana,
Cross. And touch. Again. And touch. Woo. All right. Great job, guys. One more challenging song, and then it's all downhill. Hang in there, guys. We can do it.
Ain't the eso,
All right, we're starting slow.
Randy Mac.
Quiero algo contigo.
Down.
Y una noche junto a ti. Hagamos mil locuras. Que yo te quiero a ti.
Now speed it up.
Mueve tu cintura que tú sabes que lo que quiero yo. Que tu movimiento a mí me tiene loco y me va a calentar. Mueve tu cintura que tú sabes que lo que quiero yo. Que tu movimiento a mí me tiene loco y me va a calentar.
Forward.
Estamos bailando, tú y yo gozando.
Now lean, 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 and turn.
Estamos bailando, tú y yo gozando.
Now lean. Forward. Now lean, 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 and turn. Now lean. Strong.
Me gusta la rumba, la conga, este de zona papayo la bomba. Estoy buscando, no te me escondas, y las mujeres que vengan por todo. Mueve la cadera, suéltate el pelo, yo te doy lo que tú pidas. Tú me das lo que yo quiero. Yo quiero algo contigo, tú quieres algo conmigo, pa' quitarnos la gana, pa' meternos en lío. Yo quiero algo contigo, tú quieres algo conmigo, pa' quitarnos la gana, pa' meternos en lío.
Back to the beginning.
Mueve tu cintura que tú sabes que es lo que quiero yo. Que tu movimiento a mí me tiene loco y me da calor. Mueve tu cintura que tú sabes que es lo que quiero yo. Que tu movimiento a mí me tiene loco y me da calor.
Forward.
Estamos bailando, tú y yo gozando.
Now lean
Ahora es que empieza,
and turn.
está comenzando. Estamos bailando, tú y yo gozando.
Now lean.
Ahora es que empieza, esto ya está comenzando.
Again.
Estamos bailando, tú y yo gozando. Esta rumba ahora es que empieza, esto ya está comenzando. Estamos bailando, tú y yo gozando. Esta rumba ahora es que empieza, esto ya está comenzando.
All that.
Esto ya está comenzando. Esto ya está comenzando. Esto ya está comenzando. Esto ya está comenzando.
Woo! All right. Ah, great job, guys. All right. One nice and easy song, and then the cool down. Woo! All right. Let's do it. Start with a nice slow song.
You gotta go and get angry at all of my honesty. You know I try, but I don't do too well with apologies.
Keep
Hope
going.
I don't run out of time, cause someone call a referee. Cause I just need one more shot, have forgiveness.
Drop. One,
You know that I made those mistakes
and
maybe
see here.
once or twice.
one,
Once or twice, I mean
two.
maybe a couple of hundred times. So let me redeem on myself tonight. Cause I just need one more shot, second chances.
kiss,
Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause
kiss,
I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry?
and run it out.
Oh, that I let you down. Is it too late to say
Watch
sorry
my feet.
now? I'm sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now?
Back to the beginning.
Latino Remix. Let go. Quisiera regresar el tiempo y cambiar errores. Sé que todo fue mi culpa y te causé dolores. Espero que de volver tú tengas intenciones. Porque hoy estoy aquí extrañándote.
All right. Legs nice and wide.
Tú por mí morías más. No
Nice
solo
little pulse
física,
here.
había química. Yo te llamaba y no querías contestar. Sé que fui tu
And
y
back.
te supe valorar.
One,
Entiende mi estilo de vida. Por favor, comprende
one.
que esto no pasó
Yeah.
de repente. Si está en mi mano, no lo dejo a la
Nice and
suerte.
easy.
Solo espero que me perdones. Nena, tengo tantas ganas de amarte. Solo quiero que me perdones. Si tú y yo no podemos estar, olvida todo, no voy a
Back to
fallar.
kiss.
I'm not just trying to get you back on me. No, cause
Kiss.
I'm missing more than just your body.
Kiss.
Is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know
Let it out.
that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now?
Well done, guys. Woo. All right, going straight into our cool down. Whew. Start with our shoulders. Here we go. Other way.
Thinking out the box from where I stay.
Forward.
Wrong for saying that I choose another way.
And
I ain't
backwards.
trying to do what everybody else doing, just cause everybody doing what they all do.
All right, let's just do it really slow here.
I fall, but I grow. I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I go home. So am I
And go the other direction too.
thinking that
Make
we
sure you
could
get
be
full
something for
rotation.
real? Now am I wrong for
Cool.
trying to reach the things that I can't see?
All right.
That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see. Am I dreaming
All right, arms.
for having a vision? My prediction, I'ma be on top of the world.
Other side.
Walking, don't look back. Always do what you decide. Don't let them control your life. That's just
And
how
over
I feel. Oh, fight for yours, so don't let go. Don't let them compare, you know. Don't worry, you're not alone. That's just how we feel. Am I wrong? Am I wrong?
All right, good job, guys.
We could be
Go ahead and lower down right here. Let it begin.
Now am I wrong? Am I wrong? For
And
trying
then
to
your
reach the
knees.
things that I can't see.
In here.
That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel.
All right, stretch on each side.
That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see. If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna
All right, let's go ahead and do lunges.
If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right.
Other side.
If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna be right. If you tell me I'm wrong, I don't wanna
All right. Go ahead and look here. Don't go too
Thinking
far
that
to
we
the
could be
back.
something for real.
Mostly forward and to the sides.
Now am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see?
All right, little grapevine here.
That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see. So am
All
I
right, stay here.
for thinking that we could be something
Breathe
for
in.
real? Now am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see?
And out. You can go down really far.
That's just how I feel.
In.
That's just how I feel.
Out.
That's just how
Go
I
down.
feel.
One more.
Trying to reach the things that I can't see.
And out. Whew. We did it. Ah. I hope that felt good for you guys. It felt good for me, but it was still a little bit of a struggle, I'm not gonna lie. All right, let me see if I can get, I've got brand new kittens. Let me see if I can find one real quick. Okay, caught her. She's trying to get under the bed. This is Cha-Cha. Got a boy and a girl. Cha-Cha and Salsa. Okay, I'm sorry. I ruined your fun, I know. Go on. All right, thanks guys for joining me. I will be doing this once a week. Let me figure out what day, and then it won't be live, but you know, everybody can do it right after I post. If you want to, I'll still post around the same time every week. All right, thanks guys. Bye. Have a good week.